Welcome to Maths Genius. Today we will be covering an important topic in the English language portion. Welcome to the lecture series, and today we will be covering some important vocabulary words that are likely to be tested in the different exams like GRE, CSS, etc. Now the word is augury. It is a noun. The word means a prophecy or a prediction of events. Important thing is that what are its synonyms? The synonym first is auspice. Important. Harbinger. It has been tested several times in the exams. Omen. Omen is a everyday word. Most of us have used this. Portent and presage. So now instead of just one word, we have learned 5 to 6 words. Similarly, the next word is umbrage. Again, now what this word umbrage means. It means such as offense or resentment. Again, the synonyms. First is asperity. Second, dudgeon. Then ire. Pique. Now pique is a word which has been tested in the exams previously. And rancor. So it might appear that we have just done 2 words, but we have done around 10 words to be precise. So this is important, that once you become aware of different words, you are also looking at the synonyms and indirectly the antonyms as well. Okay. So the next word is vestige. Again a noun. The word means a trace or remnant. And the synonyms are relic, remains. This word has been tested previously in the exams, the word relic and vestige itself. So I hope that you guys have understood. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and share this video. And subscribe my channel for more videos and updates.